Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Kitchen. I'm your host, Little Red. I'm gonna point this out as I always do at the beginning of a video. I've been seeing heaps of people wearing these really cute like little onesie things to the gym, and I thought they were cute, but you know, to be honest, I feel like I look a little bit like a dick, and I look like I'm going to play wrestling or do wrestling or whatever the hell that is. I got mine on Shein. It was like $6 or something, so I'm not returning it, but it's super cozy. I just feel a bit like a twat. What we're gonna do today is I'm so excited about this. This has been blowing up my Instagram and TikTok feed, this viral cottage cheese flatbread. So it's 2 ingredients, two ingredients. It should be super quick, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. And I feel like I'm racing. Really one day I wanna make a really quick video. All you need is cottage cheese, eggs, seasoning, but that's right, I'm gonna be bettering it because I'm a genius. I'm gonna make mine into a cheesy garlic bread. All you need is one of these blenders or like a blender of some sort. A little bit hesitant because I just get worried when there's not enough liquid that it's not gonna blend and it's gonna break the blender. And this is my new one because my old blender broke, but I went and got the Ninja blender, portable blender, that's what it's called. I'm gonna be really pissed off if this messes with it. So it is a cup of cottage cheese, which is basically all protein. Then it is 2 eggs. Now I think about it, I probably should have put the eggs in first because I feel like there should be more liquid down at the base so that it does actually blend. I really hope this doesn't break my blend yet. I'll be really pissed off. Please don't break. Oh, no, I think we're good. Happy days. I mean, it's not really moving much, but I'm so happy right now. I was really worried that was gonna break. Yeah, that's like a liquid. These are like these silicone tray things. And look, essentially, I could probably just pour it over that, but I'm gonna double wrap. Should always double wrap. I'm just a bit paranoid. I just feel like this is just maybe a better idea. You could obviously also put it in a baking dish, but my baking dish trays won't fit in my air fryer for the size that I wanted it. Although now saying that, that is a bit liquidy. Let's give it a go and let's just see what happens. I'm still so amazed that that actually blended. My blend jet was obviously shit. This is good though. She just poured it all over. Oh my God, if this works, I am gonna be so happy. You have a square dish and it fits in your oven, happy days. But I'm just gonna have to try and like shimmy. Pretty thick. Where, oh wait, there we go. Where is it? They said to bake this for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. What I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna be turning it into the cheesy garlic bread, I'm actually gonna bake it for 30 minutes and then at that last 10 minutes, put the cheese and the garlic on top. Pretty much a square, rectangle, whatever you wanna call it. Some seasoning, mixed herbs, that's probably a little bit excessive. Got onion, salt, some Pepsi. I'm gonna put this in 180 on the oven setting for 30 minutes. Stay tuned, I will be back. I can't believe how quick this was. Happy days. Okay guys, the time has just gone off. I'm looking really good still, which I'm really happy about. Look at this. It's looking pretty good so far. I've just thought now, damn it, maybe I should have actually sprayed the baking paper. I know that's the purpose of baking paper and stuff. I just get really paranoid. Because I want to make it like a cheesy garlic bread. So I'm just grabbing some garlic, smush, spread that around. I do like garlic and garlic is good for you. If you're ever sick, have some garlic. It's gonna be super garlicky. And I've just got your mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle that all over the top. Then I'm gonna put this on for another 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe 10, I just don't want the mozzarella to burn. Start with 5, have a little look-see poo, and then we shall see. I'm so excited for this. Time has just gone off. That was 5 minutes. I did actually switch it to the air fryer setting because I noticed this with my girlfriend the other day. When you're doing the oven in this air fryer one, it doesn't crisp up, like it doesn't brown the cheese very quickly. We did it on the air fryer setting and it did it straight away. So I did 5 more minutes at the air fryer setting. Look at what we've got here. amazing. My next thought is, how am I going to get this off the baking paper? Probably should have spray oiled it really, the more I think about it. Damn it. Get one of these to get it off. I can't believe this has worked. I mean, I haven't tasted it yet. This tastes good. I am going to be making this all the bloody time. I don't know how to get it off. I really should have spray oiled. I'm going to take it off, all of that. Okay, let's cut it up, because I'm going to make it into like cheesy garlic sticks. This is really bad cutting. Okay, that is not even at all. Right, I think that's good enough. This end bit's a bit dicky. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Not really. It's kind of falling apart. Ooh, look at that. Cheesy garlic bread in my mouth. Let's try this bit. This bit looks a little bit better. That one's just a bit burnt on the edges. It's probably going to be super hot. It's literally steaming. Cheers. Oh, stop. That is so good. It's so garlicky. I think I was a little bit excessive on the garlic. Yum. Let me show you a better piece. Let me cut it better, and then I'll show you a better piece. Why is it not cutting? Look at this. This is a way better piece to show you. Look at that. It's perfect. Like, that is amazing. I can't believe that. God, I mean, look, it's a little bit burnt, but that doesn't really matter, does it? I've been dying to do this for so long. Ready? Ooh, okay, that didn't really work. Nah, you get the idea. Oh, yeah, cool. Oh, do you know what this tastes like? Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. This tastes like the outside of a kebab, like the kebab bread, the Lebanese bread. Oh, make yourself a keto kebab. Damn it, that's what I should have done. I'm gonna be making that next time, that's for sure. Make it into pizza. Oh, that limit does not exist. Whoever invented this, well done. Hats off to you. I mean, I bettered it by making a cheese garlic bread. If you have enjoyed that 2-ingredient flatbread / cheese bread, that was the original. I've made it better. If you have any recommendations or requests, let me know. Please make sure to like, subscribe, press the bell, and do all those other fun things. I don't know why I can't say that damn sentence. Guys, I will see you in the next episode of Little Red's Kitchen.